Free download manager installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. It is free and open source software. Browser open Google search box lo enter free download manager. Enter key press free download manager download everything from the internet. First link click free download manager official web page complete display. It is a powerful modern download accelerator and organization for supporting platform Windows, macOS, Android and Linux users also download this application. Windows users direct download green color button click download for other platforms option click free download manager for Windows other platform users Mac second one select Android users third one Linux users fourth one select present Windows default detect and display download 64-bit size 48 MB download green color button click application related features display download section lo setup.exe file downloading process start completed the process browser minimize desktop file explorer document open left side downloads folder lo setup file display select mouse double click download folder minimize select setup install mode window lo two options display first one install for all users recommended first option click free download manager window lo first button yes click select setup language window lo default English language set OK button click select destination location window lo application related installation path display in middle section box local disk C program files newly created folder free download manager display requires free space 190.1 MB in case change the other one drive browse button click unnecessary first button next click select start menu folder newly created folder name free download manager display second button next click select additional task create a desktop shortcut default left side box tick mark set necessary tick mark set unnecessary tick mark remove second button next click ready to install window lo second button install click installing application related files extracting process start browser minimize completing the free download manager setup wizard window lo finish button click free download manager interface white color theme display desktop shortcut free download manager left side first one icon right side down arrow click set your convenient settings all download only upload only and completed number of options display second one newest right side down arrow click downloading files set this option A to Z ascending descending third one all files right side down arrow click all files active download torrent related extension files bottom side left section lo downloading file speed uploading and downloading display right side menu and settings icon click preferences option select left side preferences window lo first option general interface related themes section lo right side down arrow click dark theme next UI style new select your classic language related box default English United States number of languages set your convenient language default English set next second one browser integration second option select all browsers start downloading without confirmation left side option box tick mark set next download edge extension first one select edge related extension get extension blue color button click first button add extension button click top section lo adding your extension free download manager customize your browser with extension free download manager is now installed in your browse extension view extension button click browser close back arrow click టాప్ సెక్షన్లో యాడ్ డౌన్లోడ్ బటన్ క్లిక్. యాడ్ డౌన్లోడ్ విండోలో డౌన్లోడింగ్ ఫైల్, వీడియో అండ్ ఆడియో అండ్ PDF text documents related URL and link. Copy and paste here in box. In case upload, right side browse button click. Select your uploading file.